Students, we will take up the study of articles. They are also known as determiners A, N, and P. They are adjectives. In section 1, we will study how A and N are used. Here, the sentence is, first sentence, she is intelligent girl. Something is missing here. For girl, we need to use a girl. She is इंटेलिजेंट अगर लगाएंगे यहां पे शी इज या यहां पे ना लगा करके वे पुट हियर ए लगाएं कि एन लगाएं यहां पे ए लगाएं या कौन सा लगेगा ये भी एडजेक्टिव है She is intelligent girl. तो ये तो नहीं लगेगा। अब पोजीशन इसकी ये है यहां आई आ रहा है तो यहां पर आएगा एन। आई क्या है? वोवल साउंड है तो इसलिए यहां पर एन आएगा। एन अगर आ जाएगा यहां पे तो ये सेंटेंस ओके हो जाएगा। ठीक है। दूसरी चीज ये है कि अगर यहां पे हो दे आर इंटेलिजेंट बॉयज। अब हम यहां पे ए लगाएं, एल लगाएं, डी लगाएं, कहां पे लगाएं? तो सी, यहां पे कुछ नहीं लगेगा। ए एन का मतलब होता है एक, ठीक है ना। तो दे आर इंटेलिजेंट बॉयज, काउंटेबल नाउन है बॉय। बॉय काउंट क्या हो जाता है? 1 2 3 काउंट कर सकते हैं ना। तो दे आर इंटेलिजेंट बॉयज। अब यहां पे प्लूरल हो गया तो ए और एम नहीं लगेगा, दी नहीं लगेगा। ये करेक्ट है। फाइन। तो इसका मतलब ये हो गया, पहली बात हमने ये समझी, शी इज इंटेलिजेंट अ गर्ल नहीं लिखना किसी ने। ओके। जब हमने ए या एन इंटेलिजेंट के सामने लगाना है तो ये देखना है कि यहां पे वोवल साउंड आ रही है आई की तो एन लगाएंगे। ओके। तो आपको पहला ये क्लियर हो गया। नाउ वी कम टू द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, आई हैव डजन एग्स। तो ये गलत है। यहां पे आएगा आई हैव अ डजन एग्स। क्या आएगा यहां पे? आई हैव अ डजन एग्स। अच्छा, तो आप कहेंगे यहां अ लगा दिया तो यहां प्लूरल कैसे आ गया? इज इट ओके? आई हैव अ डजन, अ लगाया हमने तो यहां पे आएगा ना चाहिए नहीं, ये ठीक है, एग्स आएगा, इट्स ओके। इसी तरह से आई हैव 100 रुपीज, यहां पे अगर हो तो अ लगाना पड़ेगा। ठीक है। इसी तरह से हाफ अ किलो, हाफ अ किलो। या जैसे कहेंगे 1 किलो and a half. इसका मतलब यही होता है 1.5 किलो, 1.5, 1.5, 1 kilo and a half. Half a kilo means half. Fine. So you understood? यहां पर अ लगाया है लेकिन रुपीस एस लगेगा, प्लूरल लगेगा. 100 rupees. A dozen eggs. ये ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है. समझ लो? ओके. नेक्स्ट आ जाते हैं हम. ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट काउ वर ग्रेजिंग. अब यहां पे ये नहीं पता चल रहा कि कितनी है. ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट काउ वर ग्रेजिंग. अगर हम कहते एक एक है या एक ही है, ओनली वन इज देयर, और ईच वन ऑफ देम, one is black and one is white. So how can we express it? If we say that the cow is black and white, one cow is there, only one cow, which is black and white, then we will write here a black cow. A black cow. Now क्योंकि because there is only one cow, तो यहां पे आ जाएगा was. A black and white cow was grazing. Fine. But अगर if black is there, a white cow is there, तो ये क्या आएगा? There are two cows now. A black and a white cow. यहां पर जो वर्ब आएगा, that will helping verb जो आएगा, that will not be incompatible with this word cow. If cow is there, तो was आएगा. No. Now there are two cows, a black and a white cow. Here it will be were grazing. So you understood? This shows that there is only one cow whose color is black and white. One cow. A black and white cow. Therefore we wrote was. But when we say there were two cows, a black and a white cow, then we say were grazing. Fine. Now, when there are professions, we say a doctor, a teacher. Huh? So here, I am a teacher. I am a publisher. I am a doctor. I am a student. So you understand? Professions, wherever it's coming, we say a teacher, a publisher, a doctor, a student. Fine? Next comes 5-day journey, 5-year plan. Something is wrong here. Either we should say that 5 days journey, 5 years plan. Okay? But we mean a a journey which took 5 days time. A plan which took 5 years. How do we write? A 5, we will put hyphen here. A 5 day. Now here it won't be days. A 5-day journey. A 5-year plan. Okay? Put hyphen here. Then it's okay. A 5-day journey. A 5-year plan. Now, in such sentences where rest, bath and drink is coming, he wants to have a rest. He wants to have a bath. He wants to have a drink. Okay? Fine? My son has gone far. Swim, right. Here, my son has gone far. A swim. My son has gone far. Alright. Far. Here, right. Fine. He has gone for morning walk. So can we say he has gone for morning a walk, or he has gone for a morning walk? That's better. No, better, no? It's okay. He has gone for a morning walk. We have to put a here. He has gone for a morning walk. So, it's clear to you? Fine. Next we take up you see, continuing that section. There is a proverb. There's something wrong in it. Birds of feather flock together. Where it will be? Birds of a feather. Birds of a feather. Where it will be? Now these are, you have to remember, a team of players, a flock of birds, a great deal of, a pair of shoes. Okay? These are okay. Rather interesting story. Here it is, a rather interesting story. A rather interesting story. Okay. Next comes, a wisdom is the gift of man. It's not correct. What's wrong with it? Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are such which cannot be seen, touched. They are intransient. We cannot touch them, we cannot see them. So, such type of words, these are called abstract nouns. With abstract nouns, we don't use articles. So here, it will not be a, it will be wisdom. Wisdom is the gift of man. Now it is correct. Again, I have bad day. Now we have to use article. Should we say I have bad a day? No. I had a bad day. Okay. Next comes, this car runs 30 kilometers hour. We want to say that every hour we count, it covers a distance of 30 kilometers. So here, this car runs 30 kilometers an hour. Now we'll say YN with H. See, perhaps I have already explained. We are concerned with the vowel sound, not the vowels or consonants. And R, why we say so? Because the sound is of R. It's not H sound. R, we don't say R. We say NR. But a university, a European tour, why? Though there is here the vowel is there, here the vowel is there, but they are not sounding as vowels. We have to go by vowel sound. So U, it is U, a university, a European tour, but we will say an umbrella. Why we say that? This letter is giving the sound of a, an umbrella. So here it is N. Likewise, it is, though it is consonant M, but M is sounding as E. M. E is coming first now. M. N. N. Likewise. Understood? Fine? So here it will be, this car runs 30 kilometers an hour. Means after every hour it covers 30 kilometers. Have good day. We should use have good a day or have a good day. It would be have a good day. Yeah, it will be have a good day. Likewise, a such girl is wrong. It should be such a girl. Now it's okay. Such a girl. A such girl is not there. Such a girl. What big fool? Sign of exclamation. It is what a big fool. So you understood what food means. What a food. You are praising the food. What a food. Fine. One-eyed man. one-eyed man. Now you will say that it is O. There's a vowel here. Why are we putting a? Again, just I have explained here, this O is giving the sound of W, one. So we have put a one-eyed man. And yellow shirt. Wrong. It should be a yellow shirt. Why? A yellow shirt? Yeah, it's giving the sound of, it's giving consonant sound. A yellow shirt. This is okay. So these are two phrases. Here, a orange shirt. One shirt is there. So, it will be, this is wrong. It will be an orange shirt. Okay? So, a orange shirts. So here you will, would you write it, write here an? Would you write it here an? No, because there are more than one shirt. A is used for one. You know this, it denotes one. But there are more than one shirts. So here there will not be any article. Orange shirts. No articles will be there. Fine. So we will pick up now where to use. Now we will revert to section 2. Where can we use the or the? Use of section 2, use of Now, sometimes I will say the, and at other times I will say the. And there is specific reason for that. When there is a vowel sound, the vowel sound is there. Instrumental music that was played. Now here I is there, so the letter I is there and it is sounding a vowel, it's giving a sound of a vowel, instrument. Now here I will say the. The instruments, the instrument with music. But here I will say the cow. The letter does not give the sound of a vowel, it's a consonant. So here we will say the cow. Right? So there is a small difference. Why we say the, why we say the. Here it's giving vowel sound, here it is giving consonant sound, and that's the difference. Okay? We will use, take some examples where the is applicable. Students, usually school, church, hospital, prison, for them, if those were specifically they are meant for the persons, we don't use any article. We will say, I'll say, I go to school. I won't say I go to the school. Right? But as a father, if I have to visit my son's school, I will say, I went to the school to meet the principal. Okay. I went to school to meet the principal. Here the is not here. The is not here. The is here. Fine. Likewise, let's go to park nearby. It should be, let's go to the park nearby. Because now the park is specific. Let's go to the park nearby. You know the or the, we have to keep that in mind. Here we will say the park. Book you want is out of order. Now I wanted a specific book which is not available. So I'll write here the book. The book you want is out of order. Okay? In all these words, before them, the will be used. Before Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Black Sea, rivers के साथ the Nile River, the Suez Canal, the Sahara Desert, the West Indies, the Himalayas, the United Kingdom, ये होली बुक्स जो हैं इनके साथ भी the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, the Vedas, like that. Sun rises in east. Now there are two. We are two words which are incorrectly placed. First is sun. Sun is unique. Like earth, only one earth is there, only one sun is there. So, things which are very unique, we say the sun rises in now far directions, north, east, west, south. We say here we will say in the east. In the east. The sun rises in the east. We are using here the Indian Ocean, the Black Sea, the Nile. Okay. Darkest cloud has a silver lining. You will see that it's a superlative degree. Darkest. Dark. Comparative degree is darker. And superlative degree is darkest. Wherever superlative degree is coming, before that we use the. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. I said the superlative degree. But I am adding that there are sentences which are comparing each other and in a comparative degree. More is a comparative degree, much more, most. When such sentences come, more they get, more they want. In such sentences, we say, the more they get, the more they want. She was first woman pilot. These are, wherever these words are coming, first, second, third, fourth, like that. In such, before such words, we use the article the. The first. She was the first woman pilot. Okay. 10th. The 10th student. With 1, 2, 3 it will not be there. But then you will say that we used a one-eyed man. Yes. It was hyphenated. There we will have to use an article. A one-eyed man. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we don't use any article. A 5 rupee note. We will use a 5 rupee note. A 100 rupees. A dozen eggs. Like that. When we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, we won't be using any articles. But when we say the ordinals like the 10th, the first, and all these things, first, second, third, fourth, first, seventh, third, then we will use the word before that, the. I cannot play piano. Here, any instrument, if we say I cannot play this thing, I cannot play that thing, or instrument is comes in sentence, I cannot play the piano. Okay. I cannot I cannot play the flute. I can not play the harmonium. I cannot play the piano. Like that. In all the instrumental instruments, we will use the. Fine. Next, we will take section 3, where we shall be omitting. We will not be using a and the. We won't be using any of these articles. We will take them up. Now, there are sentences where we do not use any of the articles. Now, students, we come to section 3 and find out that there are certain sentences where we cannot use any article with the words, with the nouns. The sugar tastes sweet. Now, with metals, non-metals, we don't use this article, the. Sugar tastes sweet. Here is the water in this jug. Now, water again is a material thing. Here we will say there is water. You won't say this. There is water in this jug. Okay? This is okay. This is also okay. Fine. The gold is a precious metal. Here, I had said with metals, non-metals, material things, we don't use the article the. Here also, no. Gold is a precious metal. The price of silver is rising. We won't say the price of the silver. It will be the price of silver is rising. Okay. The honesty is the best policy. अब देखोगे अपना जो था सुपरलेटिव डिग्री गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट. Here the best is okay. The best. But we are using the with honesty. Honesty is an abstract noun. You cannot see it. A thing which cannot be seen or touched is an abstract noun. So here honesty is the best policy. The Mount Everest is highest peak. Here you find the word is highest. High, higher, highest. So, like this, the best policy, here it should be the highest. But one thing more needs improvement. The Mount Everest. Mount Everest is only one. The sun, the moon, the earth, they are only one. We say the. The earth, the moon, the sun. But it's in noun. Mount Everest is in noun. So it would be Mount Everest is the highest peak. With any noun, like say, Sohan is going to market. The Sohan, a Sohan. Yes, is also Sohan can come. Then a person comes in the house and I don't know him. He says that I want to meet your father. I say, what's your name? He says, my name is Sohan. Okay. I go to my father and tell him, Mr. Sohan, has come to meet you. Okay. Here, Mr. Sohan, though there's a name, proper name is there, but we are using Mr. Sohan has come to meet you, means that I don't know who he is. He says that he is Mr. Sohan. So, Mr. Sohan, whom I don't know, Mr. Sohan has come to meet you. Okay. Next comes, the lunch is ready. With here, though is wrong. With dinner, lunch, etc. We don't use the word the. Dinner is ready. We don't say the dinner is ready. Lunch is ready. We don't say the lunch is ready. Okay? We are studying the Hindi. Now here it is. All the languages. Before all the languages. We are studying French. We are studying English. The is not used. We are studying French, we are studying English, we are studying Portuguese, we are studying any language, we are studying German. Christians go to the church every Sunday. Now, with any religious organization or that, we use the. Here it will be the Christians. The French. That means the people of France. The French. The Christians go to, now here, the won't be used. Why the won't be used? Because Christians are supposed to go to church. But if I, being a Hindu, I want to meet a Christian friend, I'll say, John, I'll meet you at church, at the church, at the church. Why? Because we are not going for prayer. We are going for to meet there. Right? John, I will meet you at the church. The Christians go to church every day. So here, the Christians have no other place to go but church. So the won't be used. The father has come back from office. From office is okay. From the office, nahi. Why? Because he is regularly going to office. Okay. Has come back from office is okay, but it is wrong here. The is not used. Father has come back from office. Last, he became the principal of the school. Now here, there is only one position in the school. So, this one we used. He became principal of the school. Of the school. Why the school? Because that specific, the school is specific. Whose principal he has become. So, the is okay here. But the won't be used with the principal. Likewise, he was elected chairman. He was we don't say he was elected the chairman. That would be wrong. He was elected chairman. So, it's not exhaustive. There are a number of things as you go on exploring further, and you will enjoy it. English is a very beautiful language. You begin to enjoy it, and while reading, you will find out that this rule has been applied. After you have understood it, you will enjoy reading as well as talking to others in a grammatical way. It's not very difficult. Try to speak as much as you like, and don't while speaking, don't take much care of grammatical mistakes, etc. Try to give ideas, try to speak in English, and by and by you will become very conversant with the language. So, with that happy note, I leave you with the study of articles. It's not enough. You will have, but if you grasp it, you will yourself explore it further, and it's very interesting. Thank you very much. Welcome, students. We are starting exercise 1, listening skills. I will read a para to you, and you will be listening and then answering these questions. 4 questions. Please go through them. By what other name is Mars known? Second is, what maneuvering did ISRO scientists do to insert the spacecraft into the Mars orbit? What was the cost of the mission? What was the cost of the mission? What was the cost of the mission? And the 4th is, were there any missions to Mars besides this Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan, and missions to Mars besides the Mangalyaan. I'll now read the para. You kindly listen to it and try to answer the questions. Okay? On 23rd September 2014 night, India's Mars orbiter mission Mangalyaan successfully reached a position from where it was to enter Martian orbit. It had travelled 10 months, covering a distance of 420 million miles. Hitherto, Mangalyaan was on the set course. The challenge now was to insert it into the red planet's orbit. This required accurate calculation of distance and the determination of the exact time and the point at which to insert the spacecraft into the orbit of Mars. Even a fraction of a second's delay or advance would have meant failure. The task became more difficult as Mangalyaan at that moment was behind the moon and thus was not visible from the Earth. ISRO scientists did all the maneuvering with great skill. They pre-programmed its entry, for which the command was in the satellite itself. They had no other option than to wait with fingers crossed. The entire team, along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was present in the control room, jumped with joy when the Earth station in Australia relayed the message that Mangalyaan had successfully entered the orbit of Mars. This feat, executed with immaculate precision, was the result of a frugal innovation. India not only became the first country to reach Mars in its maiden attempt, but also spent the least amount of money. The mission cost $74 million, less than the cost of making the movie Gravity. Its cost was $100 million. The cost of some other Mars missions establishes it as the cost leader. Mangalyaan's cost is approximately 1/10 of $670 million that NASA spent on its Maven explorer. European Space Agency's Mars Express orbiter cost about $386 million, while the Japanese exploration mission, which failed to enter the red planet's orbit, cost more than double that of Mangalyaan. Russia's Phobos Grunt, which failed to leave Earth's orbit, cost about $117 million. China's Yinghua 1 Mars orbiter also failed to leave the Earth's orbit. So, while listening, I hope you are able to give answers. You have to be fast in answering the questions. Okay? Thank you.